Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Today we'll be earning with 3 easy faucets: Shiba Inu faucet, Floki faucet, and Baby Doge. Let's begin by logging into Shiba Inu faucet with our Faucet wallet or Faucet Pay email. Once you're logged into Shiba Inu faucet, you will see your dashboard on the left. Your dashboard is where your faucet claim, PTC, and Shortlinks are. Let's select faucet first. Now solve the each captcha that's in the center of your screen. Remember, all 3 sites are the same, so I don't need to explain how the dashboard works on the other 2 faucets. Good job! After you claim, quickly click over to Floki faucet and claim there too. Now go to Baby Doge, do the same thing. Good job! While the timer resets, let's select PTC and view some ads. Go back to Shiba faucet and select iPrime ads on your dashboard. Select one of the websites that's available to view. View the web page until the timer runs out. Now solve the captcha and claim your reward. You can watch all the ads on all 3 web pages. That will help you earn coins faster. After you've claimed enough coins, you are going to want to withdraw. Go back to your dashboard on any of the 3 sites and select the withdraw menu. As you can see, they all allow you to withdraw directly to either your Faucet Pay wallet or your C wallet account. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.